Welcome to back my channel Autoverse. The 2025 electric auto rickshaw represents a major shift in urban transportation. As cities grow more congested, the need for efficient, eco-friendly, and affordable modes of transport has become critical. The electric auto rickshaw with air conditioning is a revolutionary step towards meeting these demands. With its zero-emission technology, this vehicle addresses pollution concerns while offering riders a comfortable travel experience, even in the hottest climates. Electric vehicles have gained popularity worldwide due to their sustainability and low maintenance costs. The 2025 electric auto rickshaw with AC takes this a step further by providing an advanced solution for urban mobility. It operates on an electric motor powered by a high-capacity battery that can be charged quickly and efficiently, reducing downtime and ensuring that drivers can cover significant distances on a single charge. The AC system is powered by the same electric energy source, ensuring that it doesn't rely on traditional fuel-based systems, further enhancing its eco-friendly nature. The design of the 2025 electric auto rickshaw focuses on practicality, efficiency, and user comfort. The vehicle is spacious enough to accommodate passengers comfortably, with ergonomically designed seats that reduce fatigue. The AC system ensures that passengers remain cool and comfortable, even during the hottest months, which is a significant improvement over traditional rickshaws, which often lack climate control. The cabin is designed to reduce noise pollution, providing a quieter ride compared to petrol or diesel rickshaws. The exterior of the rickshaw is sleek and modern, with a design that integrates well into the urban environment. The vehicle's battery is lightweight, yet durable, ensuring that it can handle the rough conditions of city, compromising on performance. The rickshaw is also equipped with advanced safety features, including automatic braking systems, seat belts, and an energy-efficient braking system that recovers energy when slowing down. Charging the electric auto rickshaw is simple and convenient. Charging stations are being set up in major cities, and the vehicle can also be charged at home using a standard electric outlet. The development of fast charging stations ensures that drivers can quickly recharge their rickshaws and continue their daily operations with minimal disruption. The charging infrastructure is expanding rapidly, making it easier for drivers to maintain the vehicle charge throughout the day. The cost of operating